Ever pondered over how your favorite brands seem to know you better than you know yourself? How do they always seem to pop up with the perfect recommendation just when you need it? Well, the secret behind this uncanny knack is what we call a digital persona. A digital persona is a detailed profile of a target audience member that represents a larger group. It's a powerful tool that helps marketers understand their audience better by creating a vivid, relatable picture of their ideal customer. But how does one go about creating a digital persona? Step 1. Research, research, research. The first step in creating a digital persona is understanding your audience. Delve into analytics, survey responses, customer feedback, and social media insights. Look beyond the basic demographic data. Understand their habits, preferences, and pain points. The more information you gather, the more accurate your persona will be. Step 2. Identify patterns. Once you've gathered the data, it's time to make sense of it. Look for common trends and patterns. Are a majority of your customers working professionals? Do they prefer shopping online during lunch hours? The answers to these questions will help you create a more precise persona. Step 3. Craft your persona. Now it's time to bring your persona to life. Give them a name, a job, hobbies, and even a backstory. Remember, this persona represents your ideal customer, so make them as relatable as possible. Step 4. Validate your persona. Once your persona is created, it's important to validate it. Share it with your team, especially those who interact with customers regularly. Their feedback can provide valuable insights and help fine-tune your persona. Step 5. Implement and adjust. Start using your digital persona in your marketing strategy. Monitor how your campaigns perform and adjust your persona as necessary. Remember, a digital persona is not set in stone. It evolves as your audience does. So, to recap the process of creating a digital persona, you start with thorough research to understand your audience better. You then identify patterns and trends within your data. Using this information, you craft a relatable persona and validate it with your team. Finally, you implement your persona in your marketing strategy, making adjustments as necessary. Creating a digital persona might seem daunting at first, but with these steps, you can create a powerful tool that allows you to connect with your audience on a deeper level. So, why not give it a try?